Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. I am so excited because I have something that's kind of different for the channel. It is an instant manicure by AllDashing. It's kind of the same because we do a lot of beauty unboxings here, which is kind of what we're doing, but let's get in here and see what I've got. AllDashing reached out to me and asked if I would like to try their instant manicure product, and I was like, you know what? I absolutely would, because you guys know, if you have been watching the channel, I struggle with my nails. It is a pain in the bottom keeping them fresh for taping. And I thought, since I'm not comfortable going to the salon yet, this would be a great alternative. And I thought, you know what, I can't be the only person that feels like that. So I thought we'd try them out and see what we thought. So I chose 3 different styles, but we're just going to try one today. And these were sent to me by AllDashing for review. You will get my honest review. This is a sponsored video, but as always, you will get my 100% honest review, and that's what they asked me to do. So this is the first choice that I made, and it's the AllDashing, and these are the nails. You'll see a theme. You know, I really stick to kind of the same colors. This is the next one, and I chose this one because it has more sparkle in it. How pretty is that? And this third one, I have seen people with their nails this shape and they either do their own nails into this shape or they get acrylics, but I've never really wanted that commitment for this shape, and it is that pointy style. So I've really always wanted to try this style, but like I've said, I've never really wanted the commitment of shaping my nails into this, so this will give me the perfect chance to try it. So let me take them all out and show them to you, and then I will pick one and we'll put it on. So as I open these, I will tell you that in your box, you get 30 different nails in 6 different sizes. So these are the pointy ones that I was telling you about. How cool is that? So you just kind of find the one that fits your nail. And I've read in the past that when you do it, you kind of want to go a little smaller, not bigger, but we'll try and find the perfect size. And then the next one is kind of the same colors. You guys will see, I have a real color theme going on here. That's the color that I think is best for my nails. But how pretty are those? And so you have some accent glittery ones. And then last but not least, these are very much like these also, but they're just squared tips, which is where I normally live. But I really wanted to try these. So that's what those look like. So these are the free adhesives that you get, and you get them with the nails, and the beauty is it makes the nails reusable. So I'm really excited about that. And then you get a cute little orange stick and nail file also. And they say if you wanted to, you could cut and shape the nails to the length that you want. So I think that's great too, because you don't necessarily, maybe you want to try them, but you wish they were a little shorter. I don't want to do that. The beauty of them for me personally is I'm going to take them out of the box, put some adhesive on them, put them on my nails, and hope that my nails then look fantastic. All right, so now which ones to try on? Should I go ahead and try the pointy ones? Let's go ahead and try the pointy ones. I just really wanted them because they're different, so why not just jump right in and try those out? All right, so now that I have the lid off, that is what they look like in case that makes them look any different. So the next thing you're gonna wanna do is just size up the nails to your nails. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. Okay, I have just sized up my nails. It only took a couple of minutes. And let me tell you what I learned while I was doing it. The missing ones you can see are the nails that it took for me to do this, and they match up. So if you find what fits your ring finger over here, you can just count in from that side and it will probably fit your ring finger over there too. So that makes it super easy. Also, I showed you the adhesive tabs earlier. Those are for when you want to reapply them. They already have the adhesive tabs on them. So when you put them on the first time, you just peel and place. It's that simple the first time. When you want to put them on again, you will just make sure you've gotten all the old adhesive off and put one of these on. So that's awesome. Also, something I wanted to point out is look how flexible they are. I don't know if any of you guys are old enough to remember the old nails that were like this, but they were like hard little pieces of plastic. I don't know if I can show you guys, but these are flexible. They've got some bend to them, which I feel like is probably a really good thing because they're also a little thinner, so they look natural. I like that. Okay. We're going to try and put these on now. So I've glassed up and we have this little pack which has the orange stick in it, the little nail file, and on the back it also has a pre-application nail prep pad, which I suspect is just something like alcohol to make sure that you don't have anything oily or greasy on your fingernails that would stop it from adhering. So I will prep my nails. And just for the record, you also get 2 prep pads. So you have the adhesives that come on it and replacement adhesives. And you have 2 prep pads. Between now and when I post this, I'll go to their site to see if they have any of the replacement adhesives by chance, if you can just do that. So I just did that to each one of my nails to make sure they were good and clean. All right, guys, what I'm going to try and do is put them on my nails, at least a few of them, so you can literally see it. I've set aside over here the ones that I need. So this is my little pinky. So all you have to do is see there's a little plastic piece, and we're just going to pull that off, and it will expose the adhesive underneath. And then this is my pinky one, and I will just put it right down on my pinky. And it's just that simple. Look, see, it's those sharp ones. I have always wanted to try that. This nail is so much longer than I usually wear. Oh my goodness. So we'll go ahead and do this whole hand. So next I chose a ring finger that is an accent color. But that's how I normally do it when I just do my own nails. So I thought we'll do it the exact same way. So I put it down. Oh, and see how it looks like it's a little crooked? It looks like it's that way. You can just peel it right off, readjust it, put it down. Now it's right. I will just push it down. I'm telling you what, this is the quickest way to a manicure I have had in quite some time. That is exciting. Okay. I really hope that this is taping. I cannot see what's happening under there. Looks straight to me, so I will just push it right down. These are so long, guys. They're going to be so long opening boxes. You guys are going to have to be patient with me. Next, I have my forefinger. Oh my goodness, look how pretty. It's like I've had a manicure. And all I'm doing each time is just pulling that little adhesive part off the back. Okay, and then just push it down. See how well that fits? I mean, it goes right to the edge of my nail, but not over, on both sides. And I just selected them. Like I said, they give you 30 nails in 6 different sizes. Okay, now we're gonna do this other hand, which should be interesting. You know what, I probably should have done, learn from me. I probably should have done my dominant hand first because it's more adept. Now I've got my non-dominant hand and I've got the nails on. So let's see how that goes. I will reach over for my pinky. This is what it looks like. We'll just take the adhesive off the back. Put it right down. Oh, there you go. Oh, I have to tell you, it's a lot easier doing that with my non-dominant hand than it is trying to paint. Oh my goodness, guys. Go for that one of those nice sparkly ones again. Middle finger. This is so easy, guys. I cannot explain to you how easy this is. And again, this company is AllDashing, and I will put my link below if you have any interest in trying these yourself, because you will get one, buy one, get one 50% off. I feel so fancy now. I feel like I want to go somewhere. Wow, how cool are those? Love them. All right, guys, I just looked over the video and I realized that because of the whiteness of the back of my hands, trying to shoot that way blew out the camera a little bit. So just so you can see the colors, that's what it looks like. How fun and pretty is that? So I've got the color like I normally wear, and I've got nice accent colors on my ring fingers. They are long. I have to be so careful when I do my unboxings now. All right, so I wanted to let you guys know that where they had gone through the machine, I noticed that a couple of them had just a tiny skosh of plastic on the tips of them, but it didn't matter. Literally in less than 1 minute, I took this little board that they gave us and they're awesome and perfection now. And it's just, it's not just as easy. It's easier than shaping your own nails. So they are perfection now. Something else I wanted to show you. I said earlier, they gave us these extra adhesives. So when you're done using them the first time and you take them off and you want to use them again, you'll have these. So let's just see how easy that is. So we have, these are the extra adhesives, and we have 2 of these. So we have 24 extra adhesives. Get 2 more applications. So I'm just gonna take off, say, the pinky. Let's see how easy it comes off. Easy peasy. No damage to my nail at all. I can't even tell you, if you guys have had acrylics like I have, and you know, they can damage your nails so much, and these don't at all. And then you're just going to take the adhesive off of here, okay? And then once you've gotten the adhesive off, which I just did, and I actually used my little knife that I use for unboxing just to kind of get up under it, and I found it easier to work from the side than from the top or bottom, but it took me not a minute, okay? And we're going to take this and just peel it right off of here. There's a little tab, which makes it, even with these nails, I'm pulling off this job, which I think is a statement in itself. And we're going to put it right at the bottom of the nail, and it's set in place. We can just take the tab and pull the tab off and reapply the nail. I mean, I don't know if I can do this up in the air, but boop. Is it straight? Doesn't matter. No, it's not, but it doesn't matter. I will just take it off and make it straight. Now it's straight. Easy peasy. So it is that easy to reapply them if by chance you do something that takes one of them off, or if you just are tired of wearing them, you take them all off and you want to reapply them. They've given you, like I said, 24 extra tabs. So you can have awesome nails. How fun is that? That is just, I just love it because it is a shape that I've always wanted to try, but I just never had because I don't want to get acrylics and I don't want to shape my nails that shape, but that's what they look like from the back. That's what they look like from the front. Again, I will put a link and a code below. This was a sponsored video from AllDashing. They sent me these for review. And in each box, you got the 30 nails. You got 2 of the alcohol prep pads to prep your nails before you put them on. A cute little, which I use just to shape up the tips, which was easy peasy. A nice little orange stick. And they have a lot of fun shapes and colors on the website. So if you have any questions, if there was something that I didn't go over, be sure and let me know below. And I will let you guys know anything that I just learned. These feel so long. I just feel like I want to pose now. Let me know what you guys think. Have you ever done your nails this shape? They are so in, but they are so pointy. It'll be interesting to see. I'm anxious to cook with them and that kind of thing. But the beauty is it gave me the chance to try it, and I still have regular square shaped ones, which I know that I will love because they applied so easy, and square shaped is how I attempt. I say attempt because sometimes, do you guys do this? I go for a square nail and it ends up kind of, I think they call it squoval. I kind of round it just a little too much. So I just thought this was the great alternative since I am not ready to go back to the salon yet. Plus, it's a lot cheaper. Thank you so much for coming by and watching me do this. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I will see you guys really soon. Again, if you have any questions, let me know.